Prime Minister Narendra Modi today asserted that trains like Vande Bharat, Namo Bharat and Amrit Bharat are laying the foundation for the next generation of Indian railways. The Prime Minister was addressing the gathering after flagging off 4 new Vande Bharat express trains from Varanasi in the northern Indian state of Uttar Pradesh.
Marking another milestone in India's push towards modern rail infrastructure, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Saturday flagged off 4 new Vande Bharat express trains from Varanasi. PM Modi said pilgrimage centers like Varanasi, Ayodhya, Prayagraj, and Chitrakoot are being linked through the Vande Bharat network. He described the Vande Bharat as a train made by Indians for Indians and of Indians, symbolizing national pride and progress.
आज वंदे भारत, नमो भारत और अमृत भारत जैसी ट्रेनें भारतीय रेलवे की अगली पीढ़ी की नींव तैयार कर रही है। ये भारतीय रेलवे को ट्रांसफॉर्म करने का एक पूरा अभियान है। वंदे भारत भारतीयों की, भारतीयों द्वारा, भारतीयों के लिए बनाई हुई ट्रेन है, जिस पर हर भारतीय को गर्व है।
The new trains will operate on the Banaras, Khajuraho, Lucknow, Saharanpur, Firozpur, Delhi, and Ernakulam, Bengaluru routes, taking the total number of Vande Bharat trains in service to over 160. The Banaras Khajuraho Vande Bharat will save about 2 hours 40 minutes connecting key regions and cultural centers like Varanasi, Prayagraj, Chitrakoot, and Khajuraho. The Lucknow Saharanpur Vande Bharat will cover the route in 7 hours 45 minutes, saving nearly an hour. It will benefit travelers across central and western Uttar Pradesh and improve access to Haridwar via Roorkee, fostering regional development and connectivity. The Firozpur Delhi Vande Bharat will be the fastest on its route, completing the journey in 6 hours 40 minutes, strengthening ties between Delhi and Punjab's key cities. It will also boost trade, tourism, and job opportunities in border regions. While in south, the Ernakulam Bengaluru Vande Bharat will cut travel time by over 2 hours, completing the journey in 8 hours 40 minutes. Like major IT and commercial hubs, it will enhance travel and comfort and promote economic and tourism growth across Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and Karnataka. The event was attended by Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, Minister for Railways Ashwini Vaishnav, and other dignitaries. Bureau Report, DD India.